Okay, heart is our muscular organ and hollow organ. Now look at this heart. There are the four chambers. The heart is a four chambers. How many chambers? Four chambers. Number one, look at the right side of the heart in the screen. This one. These are the right atrium. This is the right ventricle. The two chambers are right atrium and the right ventricle. And now look at the left side. The two sides are left atrium and the left ventricle. Okay, four. These are the four chambers of the heart. The right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and the left ventricles. Now you have to know the functions of these chambers. What is the function of right atrium, right ventricle, the functions of left atrium and the left ventricle. Now look at this paragraph. The heart is four chamber. We have to say that two atria means artery जो हमने ये पढ़ा right atrium and left atrium. It is called the atria. And the two are ventricles. These one, the right ventricle and the left ventricle. So what is the function of right atrium? Look at this one. The function of right atrium. The right atrium receives the oxygen poor blood. Oxygen poor blood. What oxygen poor blood means? Deoxygenated blood. So what is the function of right atrium? Right atrium receives the oxygen poor blood from the body and pumps it to the right ventricle. राइट एट्रियम का क्या काम होता है? वो ऑक्सीजन पुअर ब्लड कैरी करता है कहाँ से? इन अवर फ्रॉम अवर बॉडी एंड कहाँ पे पंप करता है? इनटू द राइट वेंट्रिकल. अंडरस्टैंड? यहाँ तक समझ आया? that what is the function of right atrium? I will repeat again that the right atrium receives the oxygen poor blood, not rich, oxygen poor blood from the body and pumps it to the right ventricle. Clear? Clear? Give me a thumbs up. Good. So now the turn is right ventricle. What is the function of right ventricle? The right ventricle pumps the oxygen poor blood to the lungs. राइट वेंट्रिकल क्या करता है? उस ब्लड को जो ऑक्सीजन पुअर ब्लड वाला जो ब्लड होता है दे आर पंप इनटू द लंग्स एंड द लेफ्ट एट्रियम रिसीव्स द ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट एट्रियम जो है वो ऑक्सीजन पुअर ब्लड रिसीव करता है एंड द लेफ्ट एट्रियम रिसीव्स द ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड. Two things, right atrium and the right atrium and the left atrium. The right atrium receives the oxygen poor blood and the left atrium receives the oxygen rich blood and from the lungs and pumps it to the left ventricle. Now look at this paragraph carefully. सबसे पहले आपने इस पैराग्राफ को देखना है और गौर से खुद पढ़ें and then I will ask the question. That is any confusion then ask me. Just clearly read this paragraph completely. Read this paragraph completely and if you want to write this in your notebook then hurry up.